Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, kind of a little bit ranging around ever since we had that huge push down at the end of last week because of the tariff news. Now, I would definitely be leaning towards up a little bit if you were trading the sort of time frames. Now, whether this move down really is a bottom, whether this right here really is a bottom on the higher time frames is definitely yet to be determined. We definitely could end up making another corrective pattern up to a Fibonacci level and then continuing back down. So if this move up that we're currently seeing is another correction to this move down, then I would expect to see some sort of an Elliott wave corrective pattern, like an ABC, WXY, or some sort of a flat up to a Fibonacci level and then a turn back down. If for whatever reason this right here really is a bottom on the higher time frames, which it definitely could be, then it would not make an overlapping corrective pattern, but it would maintain a very impulsive move to the upside, making higher highs, higher lows. So I would be leaning towards up right now, and I would either be expecting an impulsive move like this, nice higher highs, higher lows, or if it really is another correction, then I would likely be expecting something like this, which would be likely some sort of an Elliott wave corrective pattern up to one of these Fibonacci levels, and then probably the continuation of the downtrend. So either way, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.